So everyone, here's a quick video on some news. I'm in the week right now. It's Tuesday here, and yeah, I actually don't come here in the week, but I went here because I received my new air cleaners from China. They came in 2 weeks, I think. I don't know how this happens. And here is my new 100% handmade fuel cap. 100%. These and these and these and these. Everything is handmade by me. This screwball this way. This is how it will look like. About this way. Yeah, looks much better, believe me, much better and much original than the vacuum cleaner thing that I built. And here there will be some, later after painting and stuff, those chrome strips here and here and here everywhere will look like a flathead engine. I have them already here. I hope it is enough. It's about 10 meters out there for the fuel tank and for the windshield here. Work is going forward on the body even. When I have time and fun and walking here on the rear, I do that. When I don't have it and I want to do something on the fuel tank, I go to the fuel tank. It's nice. Nobody is telling me what to do. I'm doing my own thing. Here, as you see, I just made a little bit here of sanding and stuff, just to see how it will look like, but still have a lot to do here, filling and stuff. But yeah, I just love it.